In the last video, we talked about the tools you need to start coding. Today, we will actually start. Don't worry, we will keep it very simple. First, open any browser and search VS Code. Hit enter. Click on the official website. Now, download VS Code for your system. Click on download. It's completely free. Now, the downloading is started. You can see that. Now, downloading is completed. Once the download is complete, open the file. We will install the VS Code step by step. Click I accept the agreement. Next, next, install. Just click next and install. No special setting needed. Keep everything default. So now the installation is finished. So if this looks confusing, you don't need to understand everything right now. Now we will create a folder in desktop. You can name it anything. For example, I'm I'm giving my first website. Remember, one folder means one website. So right click on it and open with the VS Code. So inside the folder, create a new file and name it index.html. This is your first web file, and now we are going to write our first code, that is hello world. And save it. This is your first line of code. Everything start from here. So now we are going to uh, run this file. Just click here and go live. Just click in go live, and your code is running now. So you can see this hello world here in the browser. So if you reach this point, you are officially started coding. It doesn't matter how small it looks. Every developer start exactly like this. In the next video, we will understand what HTML really is and why we use HTML. If you have any doubt, ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.